On our last cruise, I noticed two popular sizes of binoculars for sale in the stores at the ports and on the cruise ship, 8 by 21 and 10 by 50. My wife and I have this compact 8 by 21 pair of binoculars, one for each of us. A link is in the description below. 8 by 21 means that these binoculars have 8 times magnification and 21 millimeter diameter objective lenses. 8 times magnification means that what you see with your naked eye will be magnified 8 times. Here's an example from the balcony of a cruise ship. This is the view with my smartphone camera and no magnification. And this is the view magnified 8 times with the binoculars. Notice the slight shake? Choosing a pair of binoculars with more magnification will bring the image closer to you, but it will also magnify the shake. Really high magnification usually requires the use of a tripod. Another thing about magnification is the field of view. As magnification increases, the field of view narrows. In other words, you will see less area, and this could make it harder to locate what you want to look at. Lower magnification will allow you to see a wider area and make it easier to spot what you're looking for. The objective lenses are the lenses opposite the eyepieces and closer to what you're looking at. My wife and I like these 21mm lenses because of how compact they are. Larger diameter lenses will let in more light, but will also add more bulk. With daylight being so long in Alaska, the 21mm lenses work fine for our use. To focus your binoculars, first turn the center focus wheel full counterclockwise. The center wheel will focus both lenses. Next, turn the diopter ring that is normally located on the right eyepiece full counterclockwise too. The diopter will adjust only the right lens. Now pull or twist the eye cups out if you don't wear glasses, and push or twist them in if you do wear glasses. Then place the binoculars in front of your eyes and adjust the width to match the width of your eyes. Adjust until the two circles merge into one circle. Next, close or cover your right eye, look at something in the distance with your left eye, and turn the center focus wheel clockwise for a sharp image. Now close or cover your left eye, and turn the diopter ring clockwise to adjust the focus of the right lens. Finally, look with both eyes and fine-tune the focus with the center focus wheel. Your binoculars are ready to use.